Data governance in the AAERA. AI is only as good as its data. Artificial intelligence systems rely on data. Training data, operational data, customer data. If the data is flawed, the AI output becomes unreliable. The risk of uncontrolled data without governance. Organizations face data inconsistency, privacy violations, regulatory penalties, unreliable AI decisions. Data quality directly impacts business trust. What data governance really means? Data governance defines who owns the data, who can access it, how it is stored, how it is used responsibly. It creates structure around information. AI makes governance more important. AI models process massive datasets. This increases risks like bias in training data, misuse of sensitive information, untraceable decision-making. Governance ensures accountability. Regulations are increasing. Governments are introducing stricter policies for data privacy, responsible AI usage, algorithm transparency. Organizations must prove that their data practices are ethical and compliant. The role of data stewards. Modern enterprises are introducing roles like data stewards, data governance managers, AI risk officers. Their responsibility is to maintain data integrity across systems. The technology side of governance tools now help with data lineage tracking, access control management, data cataloging, compliance monitoring. Governance is becoming automated. The strategic shift. Earlier, data governance was seen as bureaucracy. Today it is strategic infrastructure for trustworthy AI systems. The 2026 reality. AI adoption without data governance creates risk. Organizations that control their data control their AI outcomes. And professionals who understand data governance frameworks will become critical in the AI-driven enterprise.